This is my newest indicator that I developed for day trading and scalping. And this is a live market. You may hear some voices going off in the background. But what I built this for was to try to keep me in a stock without jumping out too early. As you can see up here, the stock went flat, but the indicator is saying to stay in, and was able to get another decent gain out of it just by watching this white line. It's not a stochastics indicator. It's not based on that. It's based on higher highs and lower lows, and it compares the two over a moving average of 8 and determines if the stock is strong enough to maintain its direction. It's very simple to use. You just wait for it to come down and turn around. This is an indication to get in. It's a little bit early. If you look up here, it's turning up before we even get to that green arrow. And back here, you got an indication that it's going up. Always wait on the second bar, the second candle, before I get in to confirm. Like here, I would get in on this candle here till the white line turns down, and you can see it turn down to get out, but yet the stock is still up. It's determining that there's weakness in the stock, and the next move is possibly down. So I suggest that you put it on your chart and go back and notice how it works. Like, this angle's not so steep. What you want to see is a very steep angle. And it doesn't work on really volatile stocks like this that are jumping up and down, but on normal stocks, let me see if I can find another one. So if you look at this one here, it went up, came down, went up. We get right in here and it goes up and it stays pretty flat up here, and then it starts rolling over. And it's rolling over, but the stock price is still pretty high had you got in back over here somewhere. It's a pretty good indicator. You may want to pair it up with other indicators, but I think it works perfectly fine by itself. Like, we got an early entry way over here. It went up, it pulled back here, and most people would have got out here, I agree. And then it turned right around and it went back up. So it kind of helps you make a decision if you should stay in or get out. I've got the script down in the comments. Just copy it, load it to your computer, play around with it for a little bit. I think it's very good. It works really well. And happy trading.